The Philippine National Police has assured its support behind the newly formed Human Rights Special Committee led by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. According to PNP Public Information Office Chief Police Colonel Jean Fajardo, the National Police Force is committed to assisting the United Nations and civil society organizations in upholding and protecting human rights in the country. Colonel Fajardo added that the PNP is actively collaborating in investigations into reported human rights violations in the Philippines.
Iyon lamang pong pag-create po nitong Special Committee on Human Rights is an indication kung paano po pinapahalagahan po ng ating Pangulo yung kakapatang pantao po ng bawat Pilipino po. At yung pag-create po niya ito ng Special Committee na involved po ang ibang ahensya po ng gobyerno ay magpapatunay po na bukas po ang ating gobyerno para mas lalo pong palakasin yung mga policy at mga mechanism relating to the protection of human rights. At gusto nating bukahin po yung mga agam-agam po ng ilang ating mga sektor ng ating society, pati na rin po yung Commission on Human Rights.